Welcome to the future of agriculture in West Africa. The Innovation, Research, Extension and Advisory Coordination (IREACH) in West Africa is an ambitious initiative led by Coraf. The bedrock of the Technology and Innovation Pack is about how extension and research will collaborate and provide advisory services for the transformation of agriculture in Africa. Paramount in this activity is research work funded by USAID and other Coraf projects such as Food System Resilient Program (FSRP).
Why are we establishing the Agricultural Technology Park? We are creating a space wherein scientists can display their technologies, and then farmers will come and then see these technologies, learn from the technologies, and then take full ownership of those technologies, and then take them to their farms and then use them to produce whatever they want to produce.
In Sierra Leone, three major categories of technologies are displayed in the park, ranging from the roots and tubers that cut across the Slickers series, the orange flesh sweet potatoes, which are very nutritious, the grain legumes such as the Slinut 2, a groundnut variety developed by Slari, and the CP series, cereal grains that cut across rice, maize, and sorghum.
We practice what we call crop rotation. In the place of the maize, we are now going to plant groundnut. And in the place of the groundnut, we are now planting maize. This is currently ongoing. If you can turn the camera out there, that is the activity that is going on. We are now planting maize where we have harvested the groundnuts. In addition to this series, we have the tree crops. Under the tree crops, we have planted at the basement of the farm. We have planted orange, we have planted coconuts, dwarf coconuts, and we have planted cocoa. We want to convince people in the north to start planting some of these trees that are widely known for the south and east.
With its current presence in 9 countries, the initiative is coordinated by Coraf, and the park serves well like a supermarket for farmers to get appropriate technologies.
What I will do because around the potato, what will they plant? I plant, I know it be a better. You know they grow up fine, but now I don't get learn much about how for plant for make it get more heal under the potato. And the rice bag, what they plant the rice at times, what they plant I mean they get better, but the other explain tell me today, the time way for plants and I for apply fertilizer, all I don't get that knowledge today. When I really appreciate, I'm really happy. I'm glad it's too much, and I know so I will do more about that now. I will show the community people them the one to go put out for plants, out for do the time of planting.
This team of dedicated researchers and agricultural professionals are hard at work, in lieu with popularizing the latest technologies developed by the lead research institute in Sierra Leone, Slari.
Essentially, what this project aimed at doing was to address one of the shortfalls of Slari in the past years. That is, technologies have been generated in Slari and nobody knows about them. So the Technology Park initiative was meant to actually demonstrate some of the things that we have generated that for some years have been kept in research cells. So if you are to go there now, you can see some of the technologies we're talking about. For instance, the orange-fleshed sweet potatoes. You can see the Slickers varieties of cassava, about 14 of them. And these are all high-yielding varieties of cassava, resistant to most of the diseases affecting farmers in this country. So essentially, the Technology Park is a park where you can go and see Slari technology displayed as they are. Then it will help the farmers to be able to decide what they want for their farming operations.
To date, over 45 improved agricultural technologies have been developed by the Slari Agricultural Technology and Innovation Park. Through the Open Day event, many have been attracted by the technologies in the farm, with hopes of helping to solve societal problems.
We get the opportunity for witness the open ceremony technology park that day there, where I go see lots of technology things them, where now they plant them, lots of them at the park. So all of me on mind where I be get for other mind for plant different plants. Where now like for going to different planting, but where I go to the park, the way they can't take me attention, I be get the plants say, well, I go into maize farm, and one because of the one where the men them poultry farmer they strain for the product where them go feed them animal them, where now the corn the more they need. So I be say I go into the corn farm for supply maize farmer there, and the one where they produce the flour also for supply to them. So then self go to do their own packaging. And I'll be so get inspiration for going to this, and I want to do more past this. I want to be big master farmer, that's number one. And I want to supply a lot of people then will go come into me for supply them. And that opportunity the way they be give me, then supply me when I'm 40 kg for start this farming. And I'll be so glad for the people then for what they do for me, for make us start as a young lady like me for start this kind of farming we are doing to so today.
Already, a number of surrounding communities and districts from afar are benefiting from the technologies devised from the Technology and Innovation Park. Partners, both local and international, have as well showed interest in the park's operations.
In terms of partnership, we are at the highest peak because so far we have collaborated with so many partners across the country. We have 8 partners presently, and we short as Slickard, Solidarida, Madam, AADSL, WFP, FAO. So all of them are on board partnering with us for the technology park.
Sierra Leone is the last to have joined the League of Countries that now have the Agricultural Technology and Innovation Park. The idea of having a technology and innovation park hinges on the iReach initiative, with a vision to strengthen collaboration between research and extension.